Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the DualSense has battery and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, put the controller into pairing mode by holding the PS button and the Create button together until the light bar begins blinking quickly. Keep the phone's Bluetooth panel visible so you can watch for new devices. This step is why you power off or keep the Ps5 away. The controller will otherwise prefer the console. You now complete the pairing on the phone. In Bluetooth settings, scan and tap the entry labeled Wireless Controller or DualSense. Once selected, the phone negotiates a secure link. Usually there's no PIN, but if one appears, accept it. Make sure you wait until the phone shows the device as connected. If it fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on or move closer to the controller. This works because the phone becomes the active Bluetooth host and tells the controller to route input to the phone. You finish by testing the controller in a game or a controller test app. Check buttons, sticks, triggers, and gyro so you know everything is functional. If inputs are mismapped, change settings in the app or within games that support remapping. If the controller won't appear, reset it by pressing the small pinhole button on the back for 5 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode and try again. That reset clears prior console pairings that commonly block phone connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.